This is the fellow Stag EKG Pro electric kettle. This is how you clean the stains inside the kettle. It's relatively easy. Here's citric acid. You purchase this on Amazon. I'll leave the links in the description below. 500 milliliters of water. Pour it directly into the kettle. Once you're finished with that, you're going to take 2 spoonfuls of citric acid and pour it directly into the kettle. Close the top of the kettle, turn on the kettle, you'll reach boiling point, and then afterwards you let it sit for 30 minutes to an hour, and that's it. All the stains should be relatively gone. There weren't a lot of stains to start off with in this kettle since it's brand new, so I also did it on an OXO kettle that I have, and here is the before and after for that OXO kettle, just to show you how well this works. Once again, I'll leave the links in the description below.